Man,
What eat that one there, man?
right now.
Might as well. You take piece and then you take piece. Oh, that's one.
Alright.
Oh my god.
Mm.
Proper man.
Alright. First
Tastes
tasting.
good, man. Crap.
Eh.
You want a piece, man? I'm going to start with that piece, yeah.
Deal with the man.
Oh, my god. It's good. Proper.
Yes, I. Well, what we taste the El Strawberry. Yo!
Yo! Little butty talawa.
Yo! No, man. That nice.
That nice.
Yo!
No, man, I plant up. As I spring up, I plant them.
Man, I love strawberry then. It declared today. I love strawberry. Greetings everybody. Welcome to the new episode. One more beautiful day in a Most High creation. You know me there with my brother. Don't know.
Blessings.
Yeah man. So we're gonna water the place you know. So you remember in the last episode we planted the basil and the lettuce. So we're gonna give a nice check up on them things now. But before that, we just start with down here so. Remember the bush cabbage we plant. Wild cabbage, bush cabbage. See it here. That one here, the insect them a deal with it a nice way. But the center still a grow, you know. So we eventually I go spray them thing with neem oil. So the neem, and the aloe vera we plant. Whoa, it a grow nice too, you know. It's growing, man. Beautiful. Yeah, and these are the tomatoes. Growing nicely as well. Show them nice one here up here, so. So you can see the tomatoes are doing very well. Yeah. Give a quick check on the strawberry. Come remember we have a strawberry ripen up. So, okay. Checking on this one with the fruit. Oh, beautiful. Two of them fruit ripen. And you have some more coming on this side. Look at that. Man. And we have fruits coming on this side as well. And flowers. Check on these fruits over here as well. Fruiting up nicely. And a lot of them springing up down there. So yeah, that's doing very nice. Alright, you can do a quick check on the new things we planted, the lettuce and the basil. So here we have the lettuce. Lettuce goes straight up. I have the basil on this side. So I close up on a lettuce. See it still green up on of life. Yeah. So the lettuce I do good. And the basil. Basil them nice too, man. 60 basils. 130 odd lettuce. And these are the garlic. Remember we planted garlic the other day? Look how them nice now. Shooting up very nicely. I don't know this thing. look like scallionish. It's garlic. And then we have the one herb tree right here. And the peanuts growing very nicely as well. These are the peanuts. So yeah, and 2 tomatoes over here. We left a couple basil in the seed bed to make them go and just do them thing. So the pop chai over here and the cabbage look like insect attacking them, man. Look at the cabbage, how it look horrible. Insect them are deal with it. Rough. So I don't know how much of the cabbage we're gonna save, but we're gonna plant out the pak chai real soon. And the insects deal with the cucumber here. Cucumber them die off. And the carrots look healthy and strong. And we have the popcorn. A lot of popcorn growing up. A lot of popcorn. Beautifully. So yeah, give thanks. So what we're going to do is water the 130 odd lettuce, 60 basil, the seed bed, the strawberry, the tomatoes. We're going to water everything. So give thanks to brother there for help me out. So we're going to get at it, you know. So see you again soon. So that's the update so far. Just give me a top up there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so they are catch water, so we have to catch water.
For now.
For now. In order for water the thing there, you know. So we finish with the tomato. We're gonna move on to the strawberries, the lettuce, the basil, the seed bed, and the cane. Remember the cane? Yeah man, them a grow green and nice, them catch man. Do them cane now. Oh, come up. Yeah, everybody remember how we plant them cane now, man. Come on, come. See it have some green up in it, so you know, totally dry as it seems. Still have life in it, man. Just go and water them and encourage them, you know. We love your sugar cane. Please grow. Please grow big and strong. Oh, yes. But I can definitely say that this one is catch. Look at it, green and nice. So yeah, give thanks to that. Bring out the sour water, the strawberry them, you know. It won't look so, you know. True. Yeah, man. I'll come up there right now. Come on, brother, I say we should pick the strawberry before animals get it. So, considering, cause you think it's ready, Nick?
Look red and nice. You want to leave it to come on.
How it feel?
It's kind of soft though.
Softish?
Yeah.
Man, pick it here, man.
Remember that one that's there. Get
Yeah.
that one. Pick him.
Get a nice zoom up.
Man.
Beautiful. First pickings. Oh, even the underside damage.
Yeah.
An animal get to it or something?
I'm not sure. We just got on the ground. Washing.
Maybe the surface still never smooth enough.
Yeah.
Cause look like some dirt was underneath it as well. And the leaf, you see some dirt. Man,
So I might have to eat that one there, man.
right now?
Might as well. Take piece and then you take piece. Oh, that's one.
Alright.
Oh my god.
Mm.
Pop up one.
Alright. First
It's
tasting.
good, man. Crap.
Eh?
I want a piece, man. I'm going to start with that piece, yeah.
Deal with the one.
Oh, my god. It's good. Proper.
Yes, I. Well, what we taste the El strawberry. Yo!
Yo! Look at what it tell
Yo! No, man. That nice.
That nice.
Yo!
No, man, I plant up. As I spring up, I plant them.
Man, I love strawberry then. It declared today. I love strawberry. I can just imagine this in one smoothie. Or one of lassie banana ice cream them. Imagine, Jano.
Yo. Yeah, man. I'm for plant
Epic.
out, man.
Strawberry nice, man.
All I want to surprise him catching now, because I'm strong now.
True. Got them one here.
I'm crown up it now, good. But I use the water beat out the center.
Yeah, I think the center the bail here come out.
Yeah, I use it beat it out the place.
Yeah, 'cause it kind of puddle up.
Yeah, but I'm doing it.
Man, that tastes good, man. I don't know why that tastes so good. Yeah, it have a nice sweet sour.
Yeah.
Strawberries. Alright. I'm gonna start with the seed bed coming. I have enough for the lettuce. Alright. Water the garlic. So the garlic them nice one.
feel much water to them.
True.
There's love down here, man.
True.
Man, bees are something we can. Let's see. It look like one of them plants that have a stick around, right?
Yeah.
I don't just stick have a root.
I don't think so.
Just pick off what you want and know it. Maybe need to plant some more. Yeah, bees are about this root.
True.
You don't see more plant on hot pepper.
Yeah, man. Definitely need some pepper.
Yeah, man. After you know,
Man.
you can imagine you have all 15 pepper tree in my youth.
True.
We just have beer. Non-stop, you know.
Man.
But just 3 pepper that you have enough pepper for sure.
Man.
Wait for you,
No come to. The refill anyway.
Just hold on for the start up now. We'll have to wait 2 more buckets. And we go for 2, you go for 2.
True.
Yeah, the number them. So we just. You can't heal now, slow to the tank and stuff. You wouldn't even need no pump, you know.
Oh,
Like a tank on the hill.
yeah.
You even need a pump.
True.
You put in the energy and stuff.
True. Alright everybody, so we'll go and deal with this and then get back to it real quick. Yeah, so we continue to water the thing them. So I'm putting it up on the tripod and we'll just enjoy the scenery. Alright. everybody, we water all of the lettuce them. 130 out of them. And yeah, water the seed bed, the basil.
And the 60 basil.
60 basil. John, enough work, but the work is good. So you see the cucumber never make it. And cabbage debatable. The garlic are do nice, peanut are do nice. Lettuce them green up and look like them catch. So I just will go and take care of them. And just hope for some more rainfall. Cause look how the ground dry already. So we need more rainfall, man. But we get hold up of dark clouds now and again, so look like so we'll get some nice rain. No, just grass. Yes, everybody. Give her thanks. Oh, my brother love mint, so I must say I want to plant some. So we have many mint tree. So what I'm gonna do is break a piece from the main tree and basically just stick it in the ground. Well, I'm gonna strip the bottom. So that part that is stripped, roots can grow from that section.
That smells so good too. Man.
Man. Even this morning we have some mint tea.
From the same very tree.
From the same tree. If you never have this natural mint tea before, you need to try it now.
Oh yeah. Oh, the aroma, the taste.
So explain to them what you do.
That's the first I'm doing this actually, but I think that by removing the, bark, it should be easier for it to spring roots. So that's what I'm gonna try.
Yes, sir. You gonna do it in a cool shade area?
Yeah, I think I was gonna do it somewhere.
Okay.
This is an experiment. So.
Show us some nice looking soil for chew, man. Look at a close up.
Just throw some water from there.
Mud it up.
That's good. That's it.
There you have it. So you have multiple mint plants. So hopefully the sun not beat it too hard and it will catch nicely.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
What's a prayer over that one there?
Father, bless this mint tree. Make it grow into a very prosperous and healthy tree. In Jesus Christus' name we pray. So let it be. Alright. The plant they blessed them now.
Man, the church just looks so much better.
Yeah, man. So water the chocha with the extra water we have, you know. Cause we love chocha, you know.
I just see them eat some too.
Yeah. Yes, everybody. Wanna get bonus with that one there, the mint tree one. And yeah, see it how we have water mint tree same way. We pick a portion from it, man.
But I try to leave him up so him can spring back nice, you know?
True.
Yeah. Why the French mint it just look pretty, but I don't know. What do you think about with the food?
We need to learn how to use it properly.
True.
Utilize it the right way.
Yeah. And I have enough experience with it today.
Yeah, everybody. Thanks for following us on the journey. That's the update so far. Give thanks for watching. You know, look out for the next episode. More things are come. And you know, drop a comment. Let me hear what going on, man. And blessings. One perfect love. See you in the next one. Bless.